Hello, I, Sanjeev Kumar, today present seventh and last part of Kiss That Frog. 12 great ways to turn negative into positives in your life and work. Written by Brian Tracy, best-selling author of Eat That Frog, and Christina Tracy Stan. Napoleon Hill once said, every problem or difficulty you face contains the seed of an equal or greater advantage or benefit. If you examine any setback, if you examine any setback or difficulty, you will always find at least one lesson and sometimes many lessons. As Emmett Fox once wrote, great souls learn great lessons from small problems. John Milton said in his poem, Paradise Lost, the mind is the mind is its own place, and in hasty can make a heaven of hell a hell of heaven. Remember, everything happens for a reason. William James of Harvard said, be willing to have it so. Acceptance of what has happened is the first step to overcoming the consequences of any misfortune. When guilt is practiced deliberately, it is used for two purposes: manipulation and control. Throughout throughout the centuries, people, including parents, have found that if others can be made to feel guilty about something, their emotions can be easily controlled. If their emotions can be controlled, they can be manipulated into doing or not doing something. The key to eliminating the negative emotions of envy and resentments is to always want for others what you want for yourself. John F. Kennedy once said, forgive your enemies, but never forget their names. Almost all the great religions teaches the importance of forgiveness as the key to inner peace. Always remember, forgiveness is the key to joy, happiness, and inner peace. 85% of our problems in life come from our relationships with other people. So be careful in any relationship. Help people become more motivated by guiding them to the source of their own power. Paul G. Thomas. Mental fitness is like physical fitness. You develop high levels of self esteem and a positive mental attitude with training and practice. Here are 7 keys to becoming completely positive person. First, positive self-talk like I am responsible. Second, positive visualization. As you see yourself on the inside, you will be on the outside. Positive people avoid negative people at all costs. Negative people are the primary source of most of life's unhappiness. Fourth, positive mental food. Feed your mind with information and ideas that are uplifting and that make you feel happy and more confident about yourself and your world. Fifth, positive training and development. As Jim Rohn said, formal education will make you a living. Self education will make you a fortune. When you decided yourself to learning and growing and becoming better and more effective in your thoughts and actions, you take complete control of your life and dramatically increase the speed at which you move upward to greater heights. 6. Positive health habits. Vince Lombardi said, "Fatigue mocks cowards of us all." Last 7th, positive expectations. Whatever you expect with confidence seems to come into your life. When you constantly expect good things to happen, you will seldom be disappointed. Thank you. Last part in description box. Thank you. I, Sanjeev Kumar.